Hello and welcome to Golf Destination. I'm Meredith Corman. Recently, our crew visited Ireland, and one of their stops was the breathtaking Carton House just west of Dublin. This 36-hole facility has so much to offer, and we spoke with the GM Martin Mangan to learn more.
Here at Carton House, which is a Fairmont managed hotel, the history here dates back, to the mid 17th century. This was previously the former stately home of the Fitzgeralds, so the Duke and Duchess of Leinster. And over the centuries, they would have welcomed family, friends, dignitaries, including Queen Victoria would have visited here back in the day. And it was seen as a showcase to really welcome their friends, their family. It's probably good now that what we have here is a resort. So the house itself dates from 1739. The hotel itself dates from 2006. And the golf courses were built in around 1999 and 2001. We have the Manor House here, which is a collection of 18 suites and staterooms, and that's almost like a hotel within a hotel concept. You have the beautiful formal rooms where we serve afternoon tea, the gold salon, and beautiful reception rooms where if you're a guest in the Manor House you can relax. But equally in our garden wing, which we have 147 rooms, which is the majority of our guest rooms, they all have amazing views of whether it's the golf course or some of our internal gardens and courtyards, or even just the beautiful landscape that you can see outside. So it really does offer so many choices. 6 different food and beverage dining experiences across the resort. Our amazing carriage house, which is also our clubhouse. We have 1,100 acres. It's a completely walled estate, amazing walking trails. We offer everything on property, not just golf, but for the sporting enthusiasts. We have 2 full-size football pitches. We have acres of walking and hiking trails. We have our beautiful river, the River Rye, which runs through the estate, and our lake. So everything from on and off property, falconry, equestrian, biking, boating, clay pigeon shooting, archery. So it really is a playground for both the old, and young and the small. When our guests come to Carton House for the first time, the first thing that they're taken by is the scenery, which is just spectacular, the landscape, and they want to know more about the history. And then, what they talk about really is that sense of arrival, meeting our team for the first time, and that really warm, friendly sense of arrival. We call it the Céad Míle Fáilte, which stands for, it's Irish for 100,000 welcomes. So no matter what part of the world you're from, our goal is really to make you feel welcome. Fairmont is a global brand. Its DNA is centered in North America, predominantly Canada. Fairmont to us, is really about making special happen. That's what we're all about. It's about ensuring that when our guests arrive here, we make them feel special. We're an iconic property. We're actually the oldest Fairmont in the world, based on the age of the building, 1739. We've everything from your casual dining in the carriage house, where you can get a great burger, great Wagyu burger, amazing Irish beef, seafood, that's landed just down the road. And then, you have everything right to our Michelin Guide restaurant, the Morrison Room. So there's and everything in between. Here, this whiskey library is incredible. One of the best selections of Irish whiskies you'll find anywhere in Ireland. And obviously you've got to enjoy a great pint of Guinness. And really explore the resort. That's what we encourage people to do. Take time out, have a spa treatment. There's so much to see and do here. We like to think that we cater very much towards the individual in terms of the leisure traveler, but equally to those guests who want to travel as part of a group or traveling for work. It's quite a tranquil place, and because it's so big, and it's 1,100 acres, so it's not by normal standards, it's not a large resort in terms of the number of key count in terms of rooms. So you'll always find a quiet corner where you can read a book, whether it's in the beautiful Malahan room, which is just behind us, or whether it's sitting in one of our lovely courtyards on a sunny day like today, or just wandering the grounds. So there's never that overwhelming, let's say, footfall that you see in some very busy city centre convention hotels.
You can view Golf Destination content from the past, as well as original programming on our YouTube channel at Golf Destination.